So welcome back. This is our 5th class on number-based system. So we are going to do some basic operations on number-based system. So as we are going through this, don't forget to like and comment on my videos, and make sure to share for other people's benefit. So don't forget to subscribe and also share for other people so that they can also learn one or thing. Now let's get on with it. The first thing is we are going to do some addition, subtraction and multiplication on number-based system. But before we go to that, let me quickly take us back to our primary school days. If we are to add this, let's say we want to add 23 plus 19 now. So you know, when you add 3 with 9, it gives us 12. But we are not going to write 12, we are going to write 2, right? The reason why we are writing 2 is because, like I told you, these numbers are in base 10, decimal number. So, and if you add 3 plus 9 is 12, it's over 10. So what we usually do is that we will divide 10. The number, whatever we got from the addition, we divide it by 10. So 3 plus 9 is 12, and then we divide it by 10. We know 10 goes in 12 one time, but it will remain 2. So usually we will write the remainder and hold on to the 1. So we are now going to use it in the other part here. So that's how we are going to also do with base 2. Whenever you make some addition and the number is greater than 2, you have to divide the number with 2 and you write down the remainder. So now we want to add 11101 plus 1101 in base 2. So we have 1 plus 1, so that is 2. The number is up to 2, so we are going to divide it with 2, because as you know that in base 2 we cannot have a 2. Numbers in base 2 or digits present in base 2 are just 1 and 0. So since this is up to 2, we have to divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is what? 1, remainder 0. So we have to write the remainder first, and then we hold on to the 1, we bring it here. So that 1 plus this 0 is 1, and then plus this 0 is 1. So since it's not up to 2, we have to write the 1 there. Now let's do this. 1 plus 1 is also 2, so we have to divide by 2. 1 remainder 0. Don't forget, we have to write the 0. 1 remainder 0, we have to write the 0, and we hold on to the 1. The 1, we take it to this side and add it to this, making 2, plus this one making 3. We divide again by 2. We have 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. So we have our remainder, and then we hold on to the 1 here. So we bring the 1 to this side. 1 plus 1, 2 again. We have to divide by 2. So 1 remainder 0. Don't forget, when you divide 2 by 2 is what? 1 remainder 0. So we have to write the remainder first. Always note that. And since there is no other number to bring it over to, so we just have to write the 1 here. And then this is our what? Addition in base 2. So if you are to add 11101 plus 1101, you get 101010 in base 2. So let's get on with the subtraction. We want to subtract 1011 from 10101. So we want to subtract it from there. Now 1 minus 1 is 0, so no qualms about that. Now we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we have to borrow 1. So the same way here, if you have to borrow 1 in base 10, the 1 that you borrow returns to 10. So here, if you borrow 1 also, it returns to 2. So this 1 going here will become 2. So we have 2 here now, plus 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Don't forget that we have borrowed this one. This one is 0 now. 0 minus 0 is 0. The same thing here, we have to borrow this one to here to make what? 2. This one we will left with 0 here. So 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. So since this is 0, we don't have to do anything. So this is our what? Our solution when we are subtracting 1011 from 10101. I hope you are understanding what we are trying to do here. So as you are looking up to it, don't forget to do what? To like and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also share what we are doing for other people's benefit. Now we have to multiply 1101 by 101. So 1101 by 101. We want to multiply it. So let's get on with it again. So multiplying 1 by 1 is 1, by 0 is 0, by 1 is 1, by 1 is 1. 0 all through it will be 0, right? So this one also we have 1 0 1 1. So don't forget. So we now add. So 1 is 1, 0 is what? 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. So don't forget it's up to 2. So we have to what? Divide by 2. And then that is 1 remainder 0. We have to write our remainder and we hold on to the 1. The 1 will come here to make 2. So we divide by 2 again. We write 0 remainder 1. The 1 will also come here. 1 remainder 0 rather. We write our remainder and we hold on to the 1. And we bring it here to give 2 also. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. We divide by 2 again. We write our remainder. We hold on to the 1. We bring it here again. We add it with 1. So to make 2, we divide by 2. We write our remainder. So since we don't have any other place to carry the 1, we write it down now. So there we have 100,000,1 is 2 if you multiply 1101 by 101. Thank you.